Alright, tell me now, miss, you ever rewind a movie so hard, the tape just give up on life? Rewind! What now? You ever try log on the internet and your mother pick up the phone? It was WARFR. Mom cut off my Napster download. That was my Destiny's Child remix. You remember the box juice from basic school? Me used to freeze it. Lad, me have to reach home before the street light flicker on. I can't forget, my finger nearly drop off from rewinding Dancehall Queen VHS from my cousin VCR. Me use pencil when the tape bust. Me engineer from long time. Big man, how many Beanivers Bounty cassettes you mash up recording over the radio? I miss the clash part cause my auntie called on the phone, me vex. Me still have Stone Love 1995 dance on tape. Rare thing, you see me?
You never trade bun for your Tiger Mall, then you never go primary school.
We used to sell two biscuits for the lunch money.
Bun, Pair, and Hustle from DAA1.
Hey son, tell the truth now. Wallabees are clocks. Which one rule the 90s? My Wallaby match my uniform, but my clocks make my girl rape. Me walk like me rich, even when me broke. My TV never work unless me box it on the side like 3 times.
Me use fork for antenna, clearer than CVM.
Me slap it so hard one day it start show Cartoon Network.
If you never eat this while watching Captain Planet, you never live proper. In the 90s, you answer every call with fear. Coulda be auntie, coulda be bill collector. CXC might add me in a prayer on paper. I write Psalm 23 instead. I still dream about the Pythagoras theorem and cry.
Before internet, you ask the shopman everything.
Me ask him if planes can reverse. Him say only if you beg hard enough. If you never sleep good on zinc roof during rain, you never sleep good in your LIF. The thunder was my lullaby, brother. My uncle tune in Cartoon Network with Hanger, Wire, and Prayer. And I catch BET at 3 a.m. My life never the same. If you chair Bogle, you better sit down. I broke my tailbone trying butterfly on the veranda.
Me broke my hip to MC Hammer, worth it. Me got suspended for the Macarena.
Big man thing. How many Tamagotchis you lost in a 99? 8. I forgot them during gym class. They flatlined.
Must still hear the beeping in my dreams.
Real 90s generation don't need no gym. Me rewind whole Lion King with my finger bleeding. We ain't skip scenes. We earned them. If you never do this in a school cafeteria, you're too young for this convo.
Bring back the Macarena, me say.
So me plant piece of corn down a gully.
And it bear till it kill poor, poor Sammy.
Sammy dead, Sammy dead, Sammy dead-o.
I know a thief, Sammy thief, make them kill him.
But a grudgeful make them kill him.
Neighbor can bear for see, neighbor flourish.
Neighbor can bear for see, neighbor flourish.
Sammy dead, but the corn still grow.
Sammy dead, Sammy dead, Sammy dead, oh.
Share the story, tell your crew. Bless up.